So we got our guides here working on the campus board. She's going to do a minute and 30 seconds of that. She's going to be doing big moves, only on the way up, not on the way down. Her feet are on. So watch her here. She's going to skip at least 2 rungs. You can skip more, but she's going to skip at least 2. And she's got to keep moving for this first 30 seconds. And whenever she moves down the board, she can just move however she wants. When she moves up the board, she's got to skip at least 2. She's got just 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Okay, you can shake now, Red. So now she's just going to shake. Right here, get a little rest. As soon as this minute is up, she's going to hustle over to our tech board. And she's going to do 1 minute of big moves over on our tech board. And I'll show you how we do that. You can mimic this in a rock gym pretty easily. So she's got about 5 seconds here to go. 2, 1, switch. So the transition here, she's going to lose a little bit of time. It's not too big of a deal. She gets over here, she gets set up. Now if you have a traverse wall or a boulder problem or a system board or a tread wall at your rock gym, then you can do this no problem. Now notice how what classifies big moves on this is the same thing as on the campus board. She's got to skip two rungs or 2 rows. Only on the way up. On the way down, she's just going to use whatever hold she needs to get back down. But she has to keep moving for this whole minute, so she can't rest. And every time she moves up, she's got to make a big move. So there she is. She skips 2. She's using the jugs right now. She's getting tired though. She was challenging herself earlier on some harder holds. But it's more important that she keeps moving and fights fatigue to make a big move than it is that she uses like a really tiny hold. She's got about 3 seconds. 2, 1, rest. Nice work. Hell yeah. So now she's going to get a minute rest. She's going to do that for 4 rounds. So a minute on campus board, minute here, minute rest. So right here is working through her second set of this little core circuit. It's kind of a little bit of everything. We're definitely working core though. Here's a little isometric movement we call hello dollies. Do 20 of those. Open close, it's 1, open close 2, open close 3, so on. You got to hold your chin up off the deck towards your chest and your feet up. Point your toes. And then the sideways lunge. Last week we did this unloaded. This week I've got her loaded up with an 8 kilogram kettlebell because she demonstrated that she could do it unloaded last week. So notice on this side right here, she's getting her butt low, keeping her chest high. You're going to have to fight for that a little bit. She's got a little bit of a tweaked left knee, so she can't get quite as low, but she's doing what she can. But on this right side, her butt's getting down below the level of her knee, and that's what we want to see. It's a nice wide stance. You can flare your toes out. Really, the stance width should be so wide that it kind of helps you get down in that bottom position. You'll have to find it though. Too wide you'll actually have difficulty coming down, but if it's too narrow, you'll press your knee out so far that you won't be able to drop down low enough. So you got to find that kind of sweet spot in the middle between too wide and too narrow. And then we've got 10 Russian twists with the 25, both male and female, 25-pound plate. You can use a dumbbell as well, it doesn't matter, whatever you got. And then just push-ups and finish that. 3 rounds through this. You'll do this after each of the climbing circuits. So you'll repeat the climbing circuits and this twice. And we get a little durability at the end. Notice how her chin is up towards the chest, just like that. That's what we want to see. Her toes are pointed. They don't have to be flat out pointed, but they need to be pointed rather than flexed.